Hi, I'm Lionel the Lion, and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
Chico had to arrange 40 books into rows. He put 5 books in each row. He finished a few rows and had 15 books left. How many rows had he arranged? Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? Chico had to arrange 40 books into rows. How many books did Chico need to arrange into rows? Yes, 40 books. He put 5 books in each row. Do we know how many books there are in each row? Yes, there are 5 books in each row. He finished a few rows and had 15 books left. Do we know how many books had been arranged? No, we have no idea. But we do know that he finished a few rows and left with 15 books in the end. How many rows had he arranged? The question asks us to find the number of rows that Chico had completed. All right, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. Chico had to arrange 40 books into rows. Let's use a rectangle to represent the total number of books Chico had to arrange. Let's use a bracket to label it 40. Next, let's look at a part of the question first. He finished a few rows and had 15 books left. We know that some books had been arranged into rows, and the rest of the books were left unarranged. Let's divide the diagram into 2 parts. One part represents the number of books that had been arranged. The other part represents the number of books that were left unarranged, which is 15. Can you see that the 2 parts in the diagram make a whole? Can you also see that the number of books that had been arranged is equal to 40 minus 15? 40 minus 15 equals 25. Chico had arranged 25 books into rows. Now let's look at the first part of the diagram. We know that he put 5 books in each row. Let's draw a small unit to represent 5 books. Do you think we could work out the number of units that fit into this part of the diagram? The number of units is equal to the number of books that had been arranged divided by 5. This represents the number of rows that had been arranged. Do you get it? Great! Let's move on to the calculation. The number of books that had been arranged is equal to 40 minus 15 equals 25. We know that Chico put 5 books in each row. The number of rows Chico managed to arrange is equal to 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Hence, Chico had arranged 5 rows. Let's move on to check our answers and ensure they are correct. From our answer, we know that 5 rows of books had been arranged. From the question, we know that Chico put 5 books in each row. The number of books arranged into rows is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. From the question, we know that Chico had to arrange 40 books. So, 40 minus 25 equals 15. Hence, Chico had 15 books left. This is the same as what was stated in the question. Therefore, we know our answer is correct.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.